Hi there, it's Russell here from East Gosford Physiotherapy and Sports Injury Centre. And what I'd like to show you today is some exercises for your back and your hips. I call it my basic back mobility program. It's a bit like what you can do every day just to stop the stiffness which happens with wear and tear through a normal day. It's a bit like cleaning your teeth. You clean your teeth every day to prevent a problem. You do these exercises regularly every day to prevent a problem. You don't just clean your teeth when you start to get decay. So let's think about these a bit like cleaning your teeth. Do them regularly. Loosens up what we call the facet joints of your back, which are the small joints of your back. Certainly stretches out the muscles and gets you moving better. Helps you with your breathing, helps you with your posture, and you'll really see the benefits from these exercises. So I'm going to lie down in the bed and show you what these exercises are. So the first one is where you bring your knees up towards your tummy. So get your neck nice and relaxed in that position. And what you do is you can bring one knee up first and then the other knee up. Look straight ahead. I'm just going to talk towards the camera, but look straight ahead. And what you do then is use your arms to gently pull your knees towards your tummy. Take a breath in and breathe it out. Go a little bit wider with your legs so you don't squash into your tummy as much. That allows your hips to go a bit further. And you repeat that about 10 times. Good to do it about 10 times each one. And bring it down, and then bring your legs down one at a time, really carefully, always keeping your back nice and stable as you're doing it. The next one I want you to do is as a stretch for the back of the leg and the hamstring, and then you straighten up your knee like this, and then you can just gently repeat that movement going up and down. And when you repeat it, we call that nerve flossing, when you're stretching the sciatic nerve up and down in its sheath and really stretching out the hamstring and the nerve together. If you want to do more of the hamstring, sustain it for a bit longer. Maintain it and sustain it for a bit longer. About 15 seconds and bring it down. And of course you do that on both legs. The next one is a rotation of your back, where you get yourself nice and relaxed, and then what you do is you bring your legs to one side, take a breath in, let your legs drop off to one side, keep your chest on the bed, relax with the chest and feel how it rotates through your back, and your legs lead that, bring them back to the centre, pause where it is, and then go the other way. Just gently go the other way. Careful not to fall off the bed if you're on a bed. Breathe, relax. And of course you can do this on the floor, you can do it on a nice softer carpeted floor, or the bed of course. Rotate from side to side. Okay, bring it back. And the other way, you also then in this position, you can just pull one leg up and pull your leg across your body a bit, and that stretches your buttock a bit more on that side. If you've got pain or tightness on one side, you can isolate one side a bit more. This does the hip more so than the back, but it does stretch into the back. And you bring it down. Hold that for about 15 seconds or so. Then I suggest you roll onto your tummy, move the pillow away, and then we do what we call, some people call this a cobra in yoga. I call it a passive extension, so using your arms to lift up your back. And you repeat that about 10 times. And this is a lovely exercise if you feel like you're sitting a lot through the day or bending a lot through the day, because it really, when you think about it, it's the reverse of bending. Your pelvis stays on the ground, you relax through your buttocks and your back, you're not tensing up any of these muscles, and it's all happening through your arms. If your shoulders are hurting, then you have to give your shoulders a break and just pop on your elbows. And then just take some slow, deep breaths and relax in that position, and your back's still in that little bit of a curve. Breathe, relax, make sure your neck's always in a good position, and you go back down again, and you can repeat it a couple of times. And you just stop where... So there's some great stretches to help your lower back and your upper back to relax a bit more and improve mobility. Do some every day and you'll see a big difference in how you move. Now if you want more information about back pain or how to manage your back pain, give us a call on 43237499 at East Gosford Physio, or contact us through our website, and what we'll do is provide you with an ebook about how to manage your back pain more effectively. So I hope to see you soon. Thanks very much.